the curtain starts to thrill. I stretch, I smile, the day is kind. The world outside has left worries behind. The morning greets the city with a cheerful glow. I lace up my shoes and let the rhythm flow. Birds carve melodies in the pale blue air. I step outside with a grin, no burden to bear. Sidewalks hum with footsteps in a friendly trance. Every little moment seems to join the dance. I lift my face to greet the open sky. Today feels like a promise, whisper and try. Today is a day for dancing with the sunlight. We'll sing till the clouds forget to cry. Open hearts, open doors, let joy light the way. Hand in hand we wander through streets of gold and gray. It's a bright